Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of 2x to the power of 6 is equal to 3. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to let a equal x to the power of 6. So if a is equal to x to the power of 6, then a to the power of 1 over 6, this would equal x, right? Meaning x is equal to a to the power of 1 over 6. So I'm actually going to plug in a to the power of 1 over 6 for x here. So we have a to the power of 1 over 6 to the power of 2a. Because remember, a is equal to x to the power of 6. And now this is equal to 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of n to the power of m, this is actually equal to a to the power of n times m. So a to the power of 1/6 to the power of 2a is equal to a to the power of 1/6 times 2a. And this is equal to 3. Now 2a times 1/6 is simply just a over 3. So we have a to the power of a over 3 is equal to 3. So now if we take the power of 3 on both sides, we get a to the power of, remember the property, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n times m. So we get a to the power of a over 3 times 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now these two simply cancel out. So for our left-hand side, we get a to the power of a is equal to, right-hand side, 3 to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of y, then this means that x is equal to y. So let's say a is x and 3 is y. This means that a to the power of a is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Also means that a is equal to 3. So 3 is our answer for a. However, remember, a to the power of 1 over 6 is equal to x. So if a is 3, then this means that x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over 6. So this is the value of x. So that is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 3 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 2x. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is actually equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. And also vice versa. A to the power of m to the power of n is also equal to a to the power of m times n. So right here we have 5 to the power of 2x. And this, using this property, can be written as 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x. And now this is still equal to 3 to the power of x. Now, let's simplify this a bit. 5 squared is 25. So now we have 25 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of x. Now, if I divide both sides by 25 to the power of x, these two cancel out, and I'm left with 3 to the power of x over 25 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x over 25 to the power of x is 1. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of b over c to the power of b, this can actually be written as a over c to the power of b. So we have 3 to the power of x over 25 to the power of x, and this can be written as 3 over 25 to the power of x is equal to 1. However, I'm going to rewrite 1 as 3 over 25 to the power of 0. Now, because both of these bases are the same, that means the exponents are the same as well, meaning x is equal to 0. So this is our answer. And if we plug this value in to check, we get 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 times 0. And 2 times 0 is simply just 0. So we have 5 to the power of 0. And any number to the power of 0 is 1. So 3 to the power of 0 is 1. And this is equal to 5 to the power of 0 is also 1. So this is right.